You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this action thriller movie. For celebrity names and movie names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel for the cast. Argyle. Yes, I know, it may look like it's could be said Argyle or Argily or Argily or Argyle or Argily. No, Argyle. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Argyle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.